हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो वी स्टार्टेड विद द टॉपिक द कंसेप्ट ऑफ रिसर्च डिज़ाइन. We also discussed the features and elements of research design. In our present video, we will discuss basic concepts of research design. For this topic, you may refer the book of C.R. Kothari. As is visible on your screen, the different concepts that are used in research design are given. Like the very first one is dependent and independent variable. If one variable depends upon or is a consequence of the other variable, it is termed as dependent variable. And the variable that is antecedent to the dependent variable is termed as independent variable. Next we have extraneous variable. Independent variables that are not related to the purpose of the study but may affect the dependent variable are known as extraneous variables. Next we have control. The term control is used when the design of the study minimizes the effect of extraneous independent variable. Next we have confounded relationship. When the dependent variable is not free from the influence of extraneous variable, the relationship between the dependent and independent variable is known as confounded by an extraneous variable. Next we have research hypothesis. Research hypothesis is a predictive statement that relates an independent variable to a dependent variable and is to be tested by scientific methods. Next terminology we have experimental and non-experimental hypothesis testing research. When the purpose of research is to test a research hypothesis, it is termed as hypothesis testing research. Research in which the independent variable is manipulated is termed as experimental hypothesis testing research, and a research in which independent variable is not manipulated is known as non-experimental hypothesis testing research. Next we have experimental and control groups. In an experimental hypothesis testing research, when a group is exposed to usual conditions, it is termed as a control group. But when the group is exposed to novel or special conditions, it is termed as an experimental group. Next the term is treatments. The different conditions under which experimental and control groups are put are called treatments. Next we have experiment. The process of examining the truth of a statistical hypothesis relating to some research problem is known as an experiment. Next and last we have experimental units. The predetermined plots or the blocks where different treatments are used is known as experimental units. So these are the different terms that are used in research design. In the subsequent videos, we will discuss the classification of research design. Thank you.